Do you have a pull-out range hood? Did you know the tops of these also need to be cleaned? Now, this is an area in a home that I often see missed. There's just a build-up of oil and dust. Now I'm going to spray it with our degreaser, and then while it sits there for a second, I'm going to go wet my magic. Going back and forth, I'm just going to clean up the area. Now I'm going to show you a little tip, but you need to open up the cupboards, otherwise you're going to miss a bit. Now, there's also a little lip that I'm going to get under, and I could have sprayed my degreaser on all of this first, but I wanted to show you how this is often missed. Under here, I'm just going to get my degreaser and a butter knife on a rag to get underneath that lip. Now you can see it's gone, and it's on my microfiber. Now on the clean side of the wet microfiber, I'm just going to remove that chemical, one and one, and then I'm going to dry it off. One and one. Done.